What is up you guys, this is Tech Cave here with a $350 gaming PC build. So without further ado, let's get started with the case. The case I went is the Xeon Performance Tower case. This is a black and blue case. This case is a micro ATX case, which is currently going for $23 on Amazon. There's nothing really special about this case. So next up, the power supply I went is the EVGA 400 watt power supply. This power supply is going for $30 on Amazon, and this power supply will be enough to power all the components in this build. Next up, the motherboard I went is the Asus Micro ATX A68HME motherboard. This motherboard is currently going for $49 on Amazon, but there is a $10 mail-in rebate taking the price down to $39, which is a really good deal. I paired this motherboard with the AMD A6 5400K APU, which is currently clocked at 3.6 GHz, and it's going for $39 on Amazon. This processor is a dual-core processor. For RAM, I want the Kingston HyperX Fury 8GB kit, 4GB, clocked at 1600 MHz. These are DDR3 RAM. These are currently going for $57 on Amazon. Next up, for the graphics card, I went the EVGA GeForce GTX 1050 2GB graphics card. This is a GDDR5 graphics card, which is currently going for $110 on Amazon. This is the new low-end graphics card that was released recently, and currently Nvidia will be releasing their new GTX 1080 Ti, and when that releases I will be doing a build guide on that. But yeah, this graphics card will be capable of running most if not all games at 1080p at 60 frames per second. This has a base clock of 1354 MHz and a boost clock of 1455 MHz. And lastly, for the storage, I want the WD Blue 1TB hard drive. This hard drive is currently going for $50 on Amazon. It's clocked at 7200 RPM. This hard drive will be able to store all the games. If you want to buy any of the products mentioned in this video, make sure to check the description box below. All the products will be linked down there. But that's gonna do it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Twitter for the latest updates, bookmark my Amazon link, and use it when you buy stuff. And I will see you all in the next video.